Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable WAF rules in AWS for debugging, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS WAF and Shield service. Select Web ACLs from the left navigation pane. Locate and click on the Web ACL you need to modify. On the Web ACL Details page, go to the Rules tab. You will see a list of all the rules associated with your Web ACL. Identify the rule you want to disable for debugging. Click on the checkbox next to the rule you wish to disable. At the top of the page, click on the Actions drop-down menu. Select Disable from the drop-down options. A confirmation dialog will appear. Review the details and confirm the action by clicking Disable. The rule status should now reflect that it is disabled. If you need to test multiple rules, repeat the process for each one. After completing your adjustments, navigate back to the Web ACL dashboard. Monitor the traffic and check the logs to see the effects of your changes. Once debugging is complete, remember to re-enable any rules that were disabled. Go back to the Rules tab in your Web ACL. Select the rule to re-enable it. Click the Actions drop-down menu again. This time, choose Enable. Review the confirmation message and click Enable to confirm. Return to your AWS WAF dashboard to ensure all rules are functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.